Patuloy naman ang suporta ng United Nations at ilang pang grupo sa pagsusulong ng kapayapaan sa Mindanao. Ayon sa mga ito, dahil sa patuloy na bakbakan sa rehiyon, marami ng kabataan ang hindi na naranasang maging isang bata at mas pinili na lamang na harapin ang epekto ng kaguluhan sa murang edad. Si Ara Perez sa detalye.
Wala nang masasarap pa sa pagiging bata. Sa angkin nilang kaligayahan at kalayaan ay tiyak na ikaw ay madadala. Nakabibilib din ang kanilang pagiging maalam ukol sa mga nangyayari sa lipunan, sa tulong na rin ng paghubog sa kanila ng mga guro. Sa nakaraang United Nations Educators Conference on Human Rights and Peace, nanindigan si Raila Melchor Santos ng I Am Sam Foundation na isang misyon ang pagiging guro, na siya namang susi sa nation-building function ng mga kabataan.
So it's really a mission. And because you're dealing with lives, you have to know that these are God's gifts to us, these children, that they're miracles of life, and they need to be cared for, they need to be loved, they need to be shown love. A child needs only one person who believes in him or her, and that is developing self-worth is nation building.
Sa kanyang murang edad ay mulat na si Maria Alexandra Francisco sa kahalagahan ng isinusulong na peace process sa bansa upang hindi na rin maantala ang pagkatuto ng mga batang nakatira sa conflict areas.
The peace process is very important since everything gets affected because of war, and especially the education of the children living in war-inflicted areas.
Ayon kay Francisco, malaki ang naging tulong ng kanyang mga guro sa kamalayang ito.
Even if everyone is doing one thing, it doesn't mean it's right. And even if it's easy, it doesn't mean it's right. So sometimes doing what's hard is the correct thing to do. My teachers, they would always instill in us the values, and I carry these values I learn from them with me every day. Like, I get to decide if this is wrong or right. I think 3 times before I do something, since, it's very hard to do something that isn't in line with what you really feel or what you believe in.
Hindi naman naging hadlang kay Fernia Barca ang kanyang kapansanan upang maging modelong guro, habang ipinagmamalaki naman siya ng kanyang estudyante dahil sa kanyang ipinakitang dedikasyon bilang guro at pangalawang ama.
In fact, for me, it is not an hindrance at all. In fact, I can see my disability as an advantage as a teacher to my student because it made them more a challenge to themselves. They made more inspired of what I did in my life. It is what I do. It is what I teach them. I teach them to fight. I teach them to be more confident.
Nakita ko yung mga hardship niya, yung kalagayan niya ngayon, hindi naging hindrance. Yung parang sinabi niya, hindi naging hindrance kung ano siya ngayon. Para nakita ko rin na kung alam niya kung saan siya mag-stand, alam niya kung ano yung paglalaban niya. At yun yung parang naging example ko. Kaya kong maging katulad niya.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Ara Perez.